Namaste to everyone. Today in this video, we will be taking you to a journey which we can never forget. A journey to one of the most beautiful lakes of Himalayas. Lake which changes its colors as the day passes. We started our journey from Leh in Ladakh early in the morning. Most part of our journey was along the beautiful mighty river Indus. The sight of the river Indus, the landscapes, the blue sky, the rugged mountains, the different shades of its texture, it's like a dream when you drive across these mighty mountains. It's unbelievable, the geography, the landscapes, the colors, the whole. It's like only once you are there you can imagine what it is. You feel so tiny in front of these mighty Himalayas. Even the river, which flows in the gorges, the deep gorges, like a blue, the blue stream. It's a mighty Indus river, but even in the front of these mighty Himalayas, it looks like a thin, a small strip. The roads are serpentine. At places there are vast dry deserts. Here we encountered a hot water spring at a place called Chumathang village, almost midway between Leh and Zomorori Lake. The drive from Leh to Zomorori Lake is around 7 to 8 hours drive, and beautiful. Around 50% of your drive will be along the. Now we are reaching the lake Zomorori. We reached there at around 3 p.m. It is chilly cold. It's at height of around 15,000 feet, and the waters were getting frozen, and by the evening this whole lake was frozen. And when we woke up in the morning the next day, the sight was amazing. The whole lake was like a sheet of ice. Here we are driving our taxi driver Tashi, who drove us to this place. He was a wonderful chap. These are one of the world's highest rice fields. This is a village called Karjok here, and these are one of the highest rice fields in the world. Here you can see the lake, the other side of the lake getting frozen. The sky was amazing, and in the night we had a homestay. We stayed at their place. They served us hot, delicious food. Everything was like a dream. The next day when we woke up in the morning, we took a walk on the banks of the lake. The colors of the lake we just cannot forget. They are small kids. They were just studying, happy small kids. In the distance, these are the dry. These mountains are very dry. They hardly receive any rainfall. One can see the wild horses, the Tibetan horses running across. It's beautiful to sit on the banks of this lake. There was no one. We were the only tourists on that day to this lake. And as far as our eyes could see, it was like a pure bliss. There was no sound, nothing, only one can listen the gurgling sound of the water. The air was thin, yet it was chilly and very pure. One can see the bed of the lake. The waters were like crystal clear. These are the nomads who live here. They do a lot of sheep rearing and pashmina wools they produce. This is on our way back. We stayed there for one night, and when we were returning back, we were like, oh, when we will come back to this place again. It's a very tough place to live in. The villagers, they migrate back to the lake town in the winters. The winters, this lake is closed. This lake is around 50 kilometers in length, though some sites say that it's around 25 to 30 kilometers in length. There are surrounding mountains of this lake. They're at around 20,000 feet height. It's an amazing place. It's like one should visit there. But whenever you are going there, please respect the nature. Don't make this place dirty. Enjoy the nature, love the nature, and preserve this for generations to come. It's an amazing place. It's like heaven. If you are there, you will feel like you are in heaven.